Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Nintendo Switch error code 2137 8051. As per our research, the error comes when users try to download games but are unable to connect to the internet. This prevents them from accessing online features or completing downloads. According to our research, the error may occur because of unstable internet connections or incompatibility with certain network frequencies. The first thing we suggest is to power cycle your device. Simply turn off your Nintendo Switch and unplug your router. Then wait for a few minutes and then plug everything back in. After your devices restart, check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then try switching between 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz networks. Some users have shared that using a different frequency band helped them fix the issue. So switch the band and check if the error still comes. If the error still persists, try connecting your device over a different Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot. And check if this helps with the error. If the error still continues, check if your Nintendo Switch console needs an update. If there are any pending updates, install them and check if this resolves the error. At last, if the error still persists, then we suggest you contact Nintendo support and explain the issue to them. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.